We'll guide you through how to make WhatsApp sticker in Pixellab. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start from your laptop home screen. Locate the search bar on the screen, type Pixellab, and click Open to ruining the application from the results list. Tap the three dots menu in the top corner and select Image Size from the options. Set the width to 512px and set the height to 512px to create a square canvas. Tap OK to apply the canvas settings. Delete the default text layer so you have a clean workspace. Tap the plus icon to add an image and choose a photo from your gallery that you want to turn into a sticker. Resize the photo to fit the canvas properly and make sure the subject is clearly visible. Open the Erase tool and remove the background carefully around the subject. Confirm the cutout result and adjust edges if necessary to make the outline smooth. Tap the stroke option and enable stroke for the image. Set the stroke color to white and increase stroke thickness until the border is clearly visible. Add a soft shadow if desired to give the sticker a slight depth effect. Add text if needed and adjust text size and color to match your design. Position text without covering the face or main subject. Keep important parts inside the canvas to avoid cropping. Check transparency around the edges to ensure there are no leftover background pixels. Tap the Save icon and choose PNG format for exporting. Enable transparent background if available in the settings. Finally, save the sticker to your device for use in chats or design projects. Make sure the file name is easy to recognize so you can find it later. If the PNG looks rough, repeat the erase and stroke steps until the edges look clean. Zoom in while editing to refine small details around hair and objects. Keep the subject centered so the sticker looks balanced. When finished, test the sticker in a messaging app to confirm the transparency works correctly. You can duplicate the project and experiment with different strokes or shadows to create sticker styles from the same photo for variety and creative use.